Uh-oh, guys. We have a yellow light on. Right brake light failed. We don't want a ticket, so let's go pull it and go get one. So you need to raise the flap up to get it out of your way. I'm going to show you on the left side. You got to turn these and these, the hooks. They're going to look like that, and they just screw in to these studs right here. Just turn it counterclockwise. They're internal threads, but your tie downs, and then this one right here. I couldn't hold the camera and squeeze this at the same time. Okay? It's pretty easy. You just squeeze these two little tabs. These two little tabs on either side, my fingers are on both sides, okay? And that's where it connects there, in these holes. Before you do anything, you have somebody push the brake pedal. And I saw that this lamp right here is out. So we pulled the bulb. The very back one, right there. And this is what we get. And you'll see that it's sort of, the glass is sort of black, and we have a busted filament. We need a new one. Now you can read in the writing, this is a 7225. What makes this non-standard is you'll see these are, the contactors are oblong. They're not round like they were for 50 years. I don't know. But you know, they always got to change something. Notice this offset from that little nub to that little nub. That's what makes a difference when you put it in. I highly recommend you have a set in the back of your car, because it's just a matter of time before it goes out. No tools are required in this. Absolutely no tools. Sort of hard to illuminate, but right there, right there is the stoplight. And these are your backups. Those are your turns. Those are your markers. Simple as that. Just line them up, put the bulb in. It's as simple as that. No tools are required. That's the one mounting stud. The other one goes right there. You do have to finagle this to get it out. And if you're going to shut it while you go to the store, make sure that this does not impact your interior. That going up and down. And don't leave your trunk open. I've done this before, and you have a dead battery. When I say wear a gloved hand, so the oils and salts from your hand do not get on the bulb and contaminate the glass. And when it heats up, that can cause premature failure. I don't know so much about these 12-volt batteries, but halogen batteries are big. But see, it tells you not to touch the end of the bulb and hold it from the back. But the problem is you got to put it in backwards. Use some nitro gloves and put it in backward. And so the oil and sweat, the salt and the oils from your hands on the glass can sometimes cause premature failure. If you don't have a pair of gloves, use a paper towel. Well, let's see if this is true. Unbeatable prices every day.
Well, darn, no, $72.25. See how cheap they are? That's your standard old-fashioned one, $11.57, $11.56. Darn it. Oh well, O'Reilly's I guess we're on the way to.
Alright, time to quit messing around. My favorite store. That's not too bad. $7 for 2 light bulbs. Okay, I know people are going to laugh at this. Wearing a gloved hand, but it says right on the thing to wear a gloved hand. For the install, we're just going to push it right into that hole right there. And it is keyed. Just like that. So you're going to push in and turn clockwise. Okay, you only turn it about 20 degrees. It's not like the old ones, they go very far. All right, to reinstall this, you just pull it up. Line all your bulbs back up. Don't force anything. It only goes one way. And it's going to snap in just like that. There's no reason to take that connector loose. And just like that, we're all set. Pretty simple, huh? All right, to reinstall, the hardest part is this right here. You just got to do some bending, some finagling. Look in there. Just like that. And tape up your old one and leave it in there with your jack, because it's just a matter of time before you're going to need one for the other side. Ideally, you'd go ahead and replace the other side, because if one side goes out, it's just a matter of time before the other goes out. Have a good day.